Hello, everyone. I hope you're all fine. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. It has strong life lesson. It has also simple daily life sentences. Please practice this story and repeat it with me. Now, let's start. In a small village, there lived a poor boy named Ali. Ali was 17 years old. He lived with his mother and younger sister in a tiny house near a railway station. Every morning, Ali woke up early and helped his mother sell tea outside the station. Life was difficult, but Ali had one big dream. He wanted to speak English fluently. Whenever tourists came to the station, Ali listened carefully to their conversations. He could not understand most words, but hearing English made him excited. One day, a tourist asked him, "Can you tell me where the bus station is?" Ali became nervous. He could not answer. He only smiled awkwardly. The tourist walked away. That night, Ali felt very sad. He looked at himself in the mirror and said, "Why can't I speak English? Other people can do it. Why not me?" His mother heard him and gently said, "Beta, learning takes time. Even a river cuts rocks slowly." Those words stayed in Ali's heart. The next day, after work, Ali went to an old bookstore near the market. The shop owner was an old man named Kareem Uncle. Dust covered the shelves. Old books were everywhere. Ali asked softly, "Do you have any cheap English books?" Kareem Uncle smiled and gave him a torn English storybook. "You can take this for free," he said. Ali's eyes filled with happiness. That night, he opened the book under a dim light. The first sentence was very difficult. He only understood 3 words. But he did not stop. He used a small dictionary again and again. One page took him almost 1 hour. Sometimes he became frustrated. Sometimes he wanted to quit. But every night he remembered his dream. Weeks passed. Ali started learning 5 new English words every day. Happy, brave, journey, believe, opportunity. He wrote them on pieces of paper and pasted them on walls, doors, and even teacups. While making tea, he repeated words aloud. Opportunity, believe, journey. Customers sometimes laughed at him. One man said, "Why are you wasting time? English is only for rich people." Ali smiled quietly and continued learning. Months passed. One evening, a foreign traveller again came to the tea stall and asked, "Excuse me, is there a hotel nearby?" This time, Ali took a deep breath and replied slowly, "Yes, sir. There is a hotel near the market. Go straight and turn left." The traveller smiled warmly. "Your English is good." Those 4 words changed Ali's life. That night, he could not sleep from happiness. For the first time, he felt confidence. After that day, Ali practiced even harder. He started watching English videos on an old mobile phone. He repeated every sentence again and again. Sometimes his pronunciation was wrong. Sometimes he forgot words. But he continued. Every mistake became a lesson. 1 year later, Ali could speak basic English confidently. Then something unexpected happened. A new cafe opened near the railway station. The owner needed a worker who could speak a little English because many tourists visited there. Ali applied for the job. During the interview, the owner asked, "Why should I hire you?" Ali answered nervously but honestly, "Sir, I may not know perfect English, but I learn every day and I never give up." The owner smiled. "You are hired." Ali's salary became much better than before. Now he could support his family properly. He bought medicines for his mother and books for his sister. But the story did not end there. Ali had a bigger dream now. He wanted to become an English teacher online. Every night after work, he practiced speaking in front of a camera. At first, he felt shy. He recorded videos many times. Delete. Record again. Delete again. But slowly, he improved. One day, he uploaded his first English learning video on the internet. Only 12 people watched it. But Ali did not stop. He uploaded another video, then another. His confidence grew. People liked his simple style because he explained English with easy examples and real-life stories. After 2 years, thousands of students followed him online. One evening, while reading comments, Ali saw a message that made him emotional. The comment said, "Because of your videos, I am no longer afraid of English." Ali smiled with tears in his eyes. He remembered the poor tea stall, the old bookstore, the torn English book, and the people who laughed at him. That night, he visited Kareem Uncle's bookstore again. The old man was sitting quietly. Ali handed him a new collection of English books. Kareem Uncle looked surprised. Ali smiled and said, "You gave me my first English book for free. These books are for students who cannot afford them." The old man's eyes became wet. "You worked very hard, Ali," he said proudly. Ali looked around the small, dusty bookstore and replied, "No, Uncle. I only took one step every day." And that was the secret. Not talent, not money, not luck. Just one small step every single day. So, if you are learning English right now and feeling weak or afraid, remember Ali. Do not fear mistakes. Do not compare yourself with others. Every expert was once a beginner. Maybe today you know only 10 English words, but tomorrow you can know 20. One day, your small progress will change your entire life. Because English is not only a language, it is a door to confidence, a door to opportunities, a door to a better future. And that door can open for anyone, including you. If Ali can learn English from an old, torn book, then you can learn too. Start today. One word, one sentence, one step at a time.